Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a useful tip for managing your Telegram chats on PC. If you're someone who likes to keep your conversations neat and organized, you'll love this. I'll show you how to make sure unmuted chats stay in your archive even when a new message comes in, thanks to Telegram's latest update. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once you have it open, look at the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu, scroll down until you see the option for settings and click there. Inside settings, you'll find a section called Chat Settings. Open that up, and you'll notice different customization tools for how your chats appear and behave. Now, within Chat Settings, look for Archived Settings. This is where all the controls for managing your archived conversations are located. Once you're inside, you'll see an option that says, Always Keep Archived. Go ahead and enable that option. What this does is simple but powerful. Normally, when an unmuted chat receives a new message, Telegram automatically moves it out of the archive and back into your main chat list. By turning on this setting, you prevent that from happening. Your chats will stay archived no matter what, which means you can maintain a cleaner and more organized inbox without constant reshuffling. This is especially helpful if you want to archive chats that may be less urgent but still important. You won't lose track of them, and all your conversations will stay right where you want them, even as new messages arrive. So, to quickly recap, open Telegram, click the 3 lines at the top, go into Settings, then Chat Settings. Open Archived Settings, and enable Always Keep Archived. That's it. With that one adjustment, managing your Telegram inbox on PC becomes so much easier. It helps you stay focused on the chats that matter most while keeping everything else neatly archived. Thanks for watching.